Got new clutch plates and everything, whole kit, springs. So hopefully this thing will have a little more pep in her step. So from what we tell, the Kickstarter, got that off, clutch cable, and hopefully not the skid plate or the exhaust.
When you're done, move your truck.
Just remember what order they're in. While we're in here, we're going to change the oil screen filter, whatever you want to call it. Should be that guy right there. So got it out. It's honestly not that bad. I mean, it's not perfect. Not that bad. Got the clutch back in. The screen's cleaned. Just gotta scrape the gasket off, put the new one on, then put it back together.
Okay.
Got it all back together. Wasn't the easiest, but wasn't the hardest. Got it all back together. Kind of got it adjusted, still tweaking it.